right.
Alright, me have a message where you tell me say I'm at 27. Well on there. When you wait picture I put up yesterday. Upon the other phone, tell her to send me picture now. Upon the other phone, I send you now. You want a message me have you so yo. Me a message you so get lower. There's so many freaking message, but I come in and want going at them shit here, me not going at them here. You understand me? I say me have message the blood clot back I go down, girl. Me I go for you. I tell her to send the picture, come give me. Yeah, man.
I boy him very easy for fight. He's a manipulator.
Hold it more. Hold it more. I mean, yo, God no. God no.
My manipulator.
Me say me see pattern. See
Him
when
like sweet.
how about you?
Love sweet man. You can't go down sketch him with 2 bully beef or a 3 pound of oxtail.
A cloth him a look make him come trouble Annie with him.
Me know. I know people whole heap of like a whole heap of people online did not tell me. People keep on tell me say Annie, a user run. I know say God no, me not listen.
I said no, we have to pay for learn.
Me don't listen. Alright, you see one time him come at the dinner, him tell me say him a draw money and him have the money and him buy the rose see me and him show me the rose. I'm happy because me see the rose girl. I'm happy, you know, like wow.
Because the rose did look good, man.
Yeah, right. And you don't know stuff, guys. You know, help me support. As I'm talk this, me I beg you, help me support my life goal, please and thank you. Cause we're there with you, right? You see, after we did it, him tell me say him have the money, you know. Him have the money for pay for the dinner, you know, cause people keep on tell me say he can't pay for the dinner. So I want to improve himself. So I say, listen to me, more you prove yourself. You understand me? More you make people them say you can't angle your thing. He say yes, baby, come like a God to blood clot. Tell me say good girl, go make sure say you go with good money in your pocket.
Yeah, anyway, we are going as woman, we are going to carry our money.
Poor and boss.
Yes, so when the bill come,
rich man will go out with, we still bring our money.
Still bring our money.
Yeah, get vex money, because we don't know what can go on.
Yes, ask me, my daughter did it. Yes, so when the bill come and the dog see it and I slide it and him see the blood clot bill, I could have tell him not have the money. Right? So I come so up and I slide the bill up underneath the table because my perfect night that and nobody now go stop it. And I come so and slide the blood clot 20,000 right in the thing and give me back for give the waitress to make him look good.
Yeah, that would do when time we got these man, them shame way. Shame way.
It's a dirty blood clot nasty suck body boy. So cocky blood clot boy. Hey boy.
You like a so good boy for you and I.
You know, take the money and go on, take your money, go buy ice cream and so. You know, just call me back when you no come back. Just wait. Me and my grandbaby them there and they say me if make a changes in my life. But girl, I go vent blood clot and I go talk. Me I got blood clot talk. Even when time him come down here, because the whole I follow up the story, you know. You remember when him come down here? Him come down here. I remember when him come at 12 to 12?
Yeah. When he come at the pool.
When him come down here at 12 to 12.
When he come at the pool.
When, no, girl, you mix it up sexy fat.
Not the pool, baby girl.
Oh.
Right?
And then the pool, and the other Chanel, mate and some other people did there, and Annie little daughter, Mika, so did there.
Yeah, but he never did it at the time there.
He never did right there, so.
That time. One of the time when he say he come down in a night, man, and he say he come surprise me. Watch that live. When he say he come surprise me. When him come down, he come meet one lady, well, our moderator. And when the moderator did it, he meet the lady. He tell him, say, he come down to me at Ochi. When him come at the woman, he meet up, right? You see, when before me reach there, the boy drink and all right. Him do a video up on him page, you can see my drink and show off, say my drink, whatever. Next time I class, I want to tell people, say, oh, to blood clot me if you come meet him up. Girl, me did the word blood clot night, not a drinks the blood clot boy by me. I go think about one blood clot magnum. I mean, money, you know. Yeah, baby.
You still a cuss?
I want to girl, yeah.
Sexy, come down. Girl, don't start me up. Girl, don't start me up. Because you can't mix up and no go so. Don't start me up because I don't know you.
In Annie?
Alright.
What one?
What I mean? Now buy your juice.
You calm down, yeah, babes. Calm down. Anything you start to mix up a beer people over here and that them love. And them over here pushing at the green screen. And the green screen we get black and ban your page. You hear me I tell her?
Oh,
Don't follow them on green screen no Annie.
yeah.
If we block your page.
Alright, me go to the
People over here and hate her name
but me
comment.
not lie to you. If you don't want hear me vent, just go one side for a little while. Yeah. But when
And 6 7 talk about what the girl you like.
I go to know certain things. But you see when time me a vent and me decide say me a vent out something, girl, me a let it out. Me not keep it in.
And you do anything you want to, because boy, I get out a proposal.
The boy now go come diss me them type of way.
Exactly, you bring down boy. Anything at all, you bring
You can't tell
down
me
boy.
to one big mouth bumbo clap boy. Well, I know sexy, hold up now. You gonna tell me say this dirty blood clot, underprivileged blood clot, drunk crow. You gonna tell me say I go come out and suck on top, but my mouth stink when you suck out my blood clot tongue.
Him should have shaved him when you out the whole. Ah, when you don't want to kiss him, I
But
kiss
just
you.
calm down and drink some water.
Ah, when you don't want to kiss him, he might kiss you. You have to tell me easy. Ah, when you don't want to kiss him, I come and kiss you.
Right, that's so me I wonder how nobody now see that.
Me see that because me I watch it long time.
And when him did and kiss me up and me no want kiss him and I come out there so come talk about me, blood my mouth stink. And
Him
me
nasty when you am shit then.
How comes? Eh?
But
Why was
if
she
you
in a
say your
blood
mouth
clot? Why was
stinky
she
when
in
you
a
am
blood
shit?
clot? Oh, see, you come this way with your belly blood clot constipated, with your blood clot bunny and blood clot foot. You come talk about your 23, you're ugly no blood clot. You're ugly no blood. No, you're not really ugly still, but you dry up like a oak, man. I'm lying.
Bunny and so much bunny and pan him. Me tell you, so
Bunny
people
and
not
underneath him foot.
Jesus Christ, him want some care. You did that, I go take care of him and I put him pan blood clean. The
Girl, I put
same.
him on the bed and I use a razor blade for cut the bunny on, but tore the bunny on. Me not like it broke the razor blade. And me have to tell you something, me could try
Christ, your
something else.
finger did bust off.
When that me I tell you say it force it back and you know
Jesus
slice
God
me and bust with blood
Almighty.
clot and something tough girl in body foot. Yeah, big old bunny and underneath him foot.
The young boy, what young boy foot supposed to smooth and nice?
I say my 24.
24, him look like hard life. Which 24? That boy, they from see that boy, them red eye.
Him at 24?
And that him say girl.
If him at 24, me I not 25 again, me at 36.
The man say my 24 years old.
If him at 24, me and a 31.
Why everybody I run up on me? You know when me keep on a look fan, right? If this pussy will never a user, why I could have said then just like Eldino, and me and Eldino run prank and still joke around with it. Why you could have then say, Annie, you know say make me can run and look up prank.
I tell you, same why you.
You see me? You come out here and tell people say I want you, I love Annie, one blood clot, Annie. Hey, you see the night when time I did a Jabbas, I would them a show me how to do the match and we did a play there, man. Me say the boy put on a piece of cussing for me when he see me I make the money.
Red eye.
The boy put on a piece of Rosalie, stinking Rosalie, and him put in extra blood clot work when he hear me down see the pan shoot.
He's a user.
I wait now for you say, yeah, baby, you know, money I go run now and ruin it. So the dog say, yo, I'm up to something different. He make a phone call quick and fast to him friend them and say, yo, house party you there? I lie down in my bed, so. Not lie.
Yeah, never did not go get up, you could have crazy.
You get me, say as in touch, go out the door, boy, him go look at the front door. Every man them come and just lock the door and lock him out the door.
Brawling, Annie.
I just lock him out and lie down right there. So my money
Exactly. Can
you
she
never
say
get it.
idiot?
Met my doctor know. The doctor said, okay, tell your partner to come in. You understand? I simply look on this man, I hug him up, me lie down on the bed, me rub down his stomach. Me say, baby, I need to talk to you about something. And I want you to understand. Because I know I'm young, so me I take my time with it. Right? Me look on him and I say to him, say, baby, listen to me. Such and such happen. And we need to go get a little checkup. I want you to go get a checkup. You go get an injection. Me explain everything to him. Yes, when me talk to him, he just started to just flip. It's nothing for reason about, no nothing. Him afraid of needle. Me ask him, said, all right, then when last year do a HIV test, he might go tell me, say, like, he can't even choose a date when he ever go. He said in redder, no know in status.
Really?
God no. God, me and you, me I talk to you, he saying redder. And that scare me. Because if you redder no know your status, where me stand? If you rather do not know your status, where me stand, you no care, right? Me get up in morning, right? We have we have a certain amount of money, right? Me said, all right then, babe, come. We are go doctor. You know, have no interest. Me wake him in disrespectful. Me I wake, you know, like, wake somebody out of their sleep. You understand me? Right? Boom, so he afraid of needle. He change his mind.
Me
He go
not
buy a
cut
cup
your
of rum.
Annie, but the
He go buy a cup
person
of
named
rum from a
Chrissy was
shop.
say, can I ask a question to the nurse in JA? I am in the medical field in the USA. I am not in JA, mama. I'm listening to you, Annie.
Next time, good. Oh, okay, me hear you. As what me I say, him no want go no doctor. So that's why me just leave it alone because I do my test, you know. You see, when it come on to every I think it's 6 months, right? So when I do a test, me go back and me review my test. You understand? So these are things that I always like end up do for myself as a big woman, right? So the end of the day, when I look on you, I'm here reason with you. I'm here make you know, say, listen to me, baby, XYZ, such and such. You don't have no interest? Well, make him go do the test. Make him go do the test.
So Annie, you talked to him all that time about that, right? And he went to do the test today. Now that you guys break up.
Yeah, because I come out and I talk and make everybody know say XYZ that this really cost me and him in a problem.
Oh. But I say, Annie, go to the doctor and make sure say you good though.
You never hear nothing what me say though.
Me hear you, man.
So when me go back go do what the blood what the way call it test?
No, me say once you good.
Yeah, my pum tap bun me. Yeah. We're good. As me feel the symptoms. You feel like you're going to do a pee and you're going to feel that shut off, move. I good. I get my shot. Nigga go get your shot. What's up?
You can go and do it in the next 3 months again and make sure say everything alright though.
Alright. Me do that. My next 3 months. Yeah. Me do that. Fucking bright and face. Hey, I know say that boy they a nasty boy. You see, after me and the boy end up go one party, right? Like them car in front car we got one drink out, right? So we there at the drink out, we left and go down and one look at the bar. And me I tell her say one girl did they know. Me not lie, me not tell her say me not rate the girl, I not at all, you know. Me I tell her say me see the girl that dance, she know me as Annie, she dance, you know, me tip her everything. And the girl name, I think a big pum candy, the girl name. I mean, I tell her, so when the girl comes and drop herself a gong and keynote her pony a gong, I say the boy, yo, that come like when pick this as a Christmas. The boy, they pan, aye. And I go and be excitement when they see the girl a gong, keynote in pony a gong, you know. I mean, the me a prima, me a say, blood God. So, I them a senior excite, yo. You understand? I me say before me even left the party, the boy take the woman number. Before me left the party, because I'm going to the car go sit down. Right? I'm going in there, go and relax. Dog in there, he get the number already from Big Pony Candy. You understand what I say? So the boy is just a little whore. Fucking like a dog, you come call up my blood clot. You don't call me name, I don't like you. You come bring me.
Boy, bright boy, talk about your mouth.
The data make sure say block you off of the front call. Come to them, I don't know where you call me.
You should have shame for talk about our mouth. You pull her at my
phone. I should have had one next phone, man. Remember me tell you that don't your blood clot.
But him poor at the about animal stink him out harder.
in
But he must say
bright.
about my mouth. He must say our mouth. He got the idea him still a kiss her. So he must say.
And that me want to
Pee mouth sting too.
And that me want to. But who didn't attend to rotten teeth? Who did it up all night attend to rotten teeth? Eh? You talk about people mouth stink.
Are you a comfort him when him a ball?
And me a comfort him, me can't even sleep. Look, idiot gone all party at blood clot night and come back in
No,
before
sir.
the morning and a ball for him blood clot teeth like a baby.
And then they care this life, they more live.
And him no ball for
We
eat
just
it.
want
Yeah,
to drink up beer
December
rum.
when the time cold.
Mm-hmm.
Eh? And me a
Yes,
beg him to
yes,
take out the
Mama.
rotten teeth, you know, one. Me then say me and him go